Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Okay, I love the beginning of a new year. It's always like a super fun, exciting time to make changes to your life, and this year is no exception. Okay, so here's the deal. Last year, a ton of you did my 28-day California sugar cleanse with me, where we kicked sugar, we lost weight, improved our skin tone and our health. This year, we are kicking it up another notch. In 2021, we are going to a whole foods, plant-based diet. So I want you to subscribe to my channel and join us. So exactly what is a whole foods, plant-based diet? It's essentially a diet that centers around the consumption of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. That means nuts, seeds, and beans. And it eschews meat, dairy, and eggs. Yes. So I have been doing it for 2 weeks. I feel so amazing that I wanted to share it with you, and I thought we would do it together. This is what you can expect. You should be able to drop weight. You should be able to have a beautiful, healthy, radiant glow. It also may reduce your risk of cancer, heart disease, diabetes. There's a whole science that goes behind it, and we'll talk more about that also. A ton of elite level and professional athletes are doing this. I wouldn't bring you something that's not going to make you feel and look your very, very best. Here's what you can expect on the channel and on my blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com. We're gonna make lots of delicious, easy, satisfying, plant-based whole food recipes so that you're armed with information and good, delicious food that you love. You're going to get pantry staples so that you can make things at the drop of a hat. I'll give you key tips for success. We'll talk about frequently asked questions on the diet. We'll dispel some of the myths on the diet. And also feel free to comment and share with me any challenges that you're having, and I'll help walk you through it. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Subscribe to the channel. Go to my blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com. We're going to do a whole foods plant-based diet, and we're going to feel amazing in 2021. Okay, I'll see you on the blog.